Nestled amidst the picturesque landscapes of Pune, India, the weekend getaway designed by SAK Designs offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. This architectural marvel is a testament to serenity and relaxation, carefully crafted to provide an unforgettable retreat experience. As you step into the house, you are greeted by a seamless blend of modern design and natural elements. The architecture embraces the surrounding beauty, with large windows that invite ample natural light and offer breathtaking views of the lush greenery. Every aspect of the design has been thoughtfully curated to enhance the overall experience. The interior spaces boast a harmonious fusion of comfort and elegance, where luxurious furnishings and soothing color palettes create an atmosphere of tranquility. The open-concept living areas seamlessly flow into outdoor spaces, allowing residents to connect with nature and savor the fresh air. The house is not just a feast for the eyes but also a sustainable marvel. SAK Designs has integrated eco-friendly features, utilizing renewable materials and incorporating energy-efficient systems to minimize the environmental impact. Whether you choose to relax by the poolside, immerse yourself in the serene surroundings, or indulge in outdoor activities, the weekend getaway offers a sanctuary for rejuvenation. It is a haven where one can unwind, recharge, and create lasting memories with loved ones. Escape to the weekend getaway by SAK Designs in Pune, India, and embark on a journey of tranquility, luxury, and serenity like no other. Experience the perfect blend of contemporary design, natural beauty, and sustainable living, making it an ideal destination for a memorable weekend escape. Here's a look at the plan.